The perfect morning routine for a productive working day. What you do first thing in the morning will set the mood for the entire day to follow. If you have a strong, productive start to your day, then you're going to find it much easier to dive straight into work and get lots done. But if you allow procrastination to creep in at this early point, or if you engage in unhealthy habits, then you're going to find it's much harder to get work done. And this becomes doubly important if you're working from home. With no commute, you have every opportunity to take things slow and to forget about things like grooming. This makes a huge difference to your headspace going forward and seriously limits how productive you're likely to be as the day progresses. This is why the most productive and successful people in the world all have morning routines. In this presentation, we'll discuss some tips to help you create yours. Be realistic. The first and most important step is to make sure that any morning routine you devise is realistic. What that means is that you shouldn't try to come up with something that is extremely elaborate or lengthy, and certainly not to start with. If you've never been able to get up before 7 a.m., then what is the point in including that as part of your morning routine? If you have never stuck at meditation, then why claim you're going to do 30 minutes every morning? It is far better to have a simpler morning routine relying on a few rules, but that you will actually stick to. Use apps. There are plenty of apps out there, such as habit tracking apps, that are designed to help you stick to your goals and plans. Try using a few to see if they can help. Some key things to try. With all that said, here are some popular options to include in your morning routine. Exercise. This helps wake you up and encourages good habits. Meditation. Even 5 minutes will let you take control of your day. Minimal screen time. Many people believe they shouldn't look at any electronic devices for at least the first hour after waking up. Time outdoors. Spending some time outside will help set your body clock. To-dos. Writing a to-do list first thing is a great way to stay on top of things you need to accomplish. Try incorporating any of these that resonate with you and see how it changes your productivity during the day that follows.